Lutefisk, oh lutefisk, a fragrant your aroma. Oh lutefisk,
I'm ready.
oh lutefisk.
Are you ready? Everybody's ready? Okay, make some noise, crowd. This is the big moment. The 2019 Lutefisk Eating Championships. On your marks. Get set. Go! Thought I'd go for a dramatic pause there. The pause that refreshes. My God, I wouldn't sit next to them at Thanksgiving. Holy tomato. Make sure it's all gone. Make sure it's all gone. I want every shred gone. I believe we're there. Wow. Holy Toledo. Round of applause for our Lutefisk eaters. Yeah.
If you're bored with dinners that you're eating, if you're searching for something more completing, food for home or bringing to a meeting, take a risk, try Lutefisk. Hey, it's a little odd, but you get a little cod, and you soak it in some lye. Only God knows why. Lots of salt and steam it well. A ton of sauce and still it smells. Give that fish a kiss. It's Lutefisk.